students, see this example. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 indices 1 upon 3? Here 3 indices 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 upon 3. The multiplicative inverse of 10 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 10. And we can write 3 upon 10 as 0.3 as decimal form, in the decimal form. So 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 upon 3. So we can say that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 indices 1 upon 3. Now here is some MCQ questions. First, the rational number that does not have reciprocal. The answer is 0. That is, 0 is the rational number which has no reciprocal. Second, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocal. Here, the reciprocal of -1 is itself, that is -1, and the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So, -1 and the 1 are the rational numbers that have their own reciprocal. Third, the rational numbers that is equal to its negative. So 0 is the rational number whose negative is 0. The next point, representation of rational numbers on the number line. To represent 1 upon 8, the number line may be divided into 8 equal parts. We use the number 1 upon 8 to name the first point. First, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have divided the number line from 0 to 1 into 8 equal parts. We use the number 1 upon 8 to name the first point of this division. The second point of the division will be labeled 2 upon 8. The third point 3 upon 8. Fourth 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, and this is 8 upon 8. 8 cut, so the answer will be 1. In a rational number, the number below the bar, that is the denominator, the denominator tells the number of equal parts into which the first unit has been divided. This is the first unit. So the first unit is divided into 8 equal parts because the denominator is 8, and the numerator tells how many of these parts are considered. That is, one part of this is considered. For example, 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 means 4 of 9 equal parts on the right side of 0. That is 0, we will divide the first unit, that is 0 to 1, in 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Once again, 4 upon 9 means 4 of 9 equal parts. This is the 9 equal parts on the right side of 0. Now this 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 9 and this is 9 upon 9. 4 of 9 equal part. 4 upon 9 means 4 of 9 equal part. That is, counts this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your answer. Take second example. -7 upon 4. So we make 7 markings of distance 1 upon 4, each of the left of 0. So here the rational number is minus, negative sign. So we make 7 marking of distance 1 upon 4, each on the left of the 0. So starting from here, 1, we make 4 equal parts for each unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, -1. This is the first unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, -2. Now we make 7 marking of distance 1 upon 4. So this 1, counting here from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 upon 4. Let's check. This is -1 upon 4, -2 upon 4, -3 upon 4, -4 upon 4, -5 upon 4, -6 upon 4 and this is -7 upon 4. Next, -5 upon 3. So we make 5 markings of distance 1 upon 3 because the denominator is 3. So it means 5 of 3 equal parts on the left side of 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, again 1, 2, 3, -2. Now make 5 markings of distance 1 upon 3, each on the left of 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is -5 upon 3. Let's check. -1 upon 3, -2 upon 3, -3 upon 3, -4 upon 3 and this is -5 upon 3. So by this method you can represent any rational number on the number line. Next point, rational numbers between two rational numbers. You will find that you get countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. For example, write 3 rational numbers between -2 and 0. -2 can be written as -2 upon 1 and 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. We first convert. Here the denominator should be same. You can multiply 1 by any number. Suppose I multiply 1 by 10, both in numerator and denominator. Here also this. So the answer will be -20 upon 10 and 10 upon 10. Sorry, 0 upon 10. 0 multiplied by 10, 0. So -20 upon 10 and 0 upon 10. Here you can see that the denominators are same. Now we have many rational numbers between -20 upon 10 and 0 upon 10. Thus we have -19 upon 10, -18 upon 10, -17 upon 10 up to -1 upon 10 between -2 and 0. You can take any 3 of these rational number. For example, find 10 rational number between -5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. We first convert -5 upon 6 and 5 upon 2 to rational number with same denominator. So first we will take LCM of 6 and 8. 6, 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2, 3, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. Now we first convert these two rational numbers with same denominator, that is 24. So multiply 6 by 4 both in numerator and denominator and multiply 8 by 3 and 5 by 3 to get the same denominator 24. -20 upon 24 and 15 upon 24. Here the denominators are same. Now we have -19 upon 24, -18 upon 24, -17 upon 24 up to 14 upon 24 as the rational numbers between -5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. Take any 10 of these.